Year's isn't just about fancy, it's also about fun. And what's more fun than sushi? Pizza! Wait, sushi? Pizza? Hold my champagne again! It's time to make my favorite guilty sushi pleasure, sushi pizza. This mix of rice vinegar, soy, sugar, and water is the secret to why sushi rice stands out. In a sushi restaurant, you have to make the rice for years before they let you slice the fish. How is that for mastering an art? This is whipped cream cheese, and this is wasabi, horseradish that knows somebody. Swizzle of soy. Kapow! Still warm. Wet hand so the rice doesn't stick. Golf ball size. You use chopsticks for the wet part, and your hands stay clean. Only the fanciest breadcrumbs for my New Year's Eve party? Panko. Time to make the pepperoni. Just the greens. Time to make some magic sushi dust. Yeah. And all I need is some nori. Woohoo! Roll up some little flowers. Smoked salmon in full bloom. Spicy mayo, the secret sauce to my sushi pizza. edible glitter. Yes! Ooh! Mmm! The crispy rice, that zingy, spicy wasabi cream cheese, the smoky smoked salmon. It's perfect treat night sushi in one bite, and anyone can do it.